Hi, I am Mamu. I am come from Bangladesh. I am an engineer and I have a large shopping mall project that need to purchase 2000 conceal fan coil in 2019. I got in touch with Emily, the product manager of HVAC. Emily introduced their company to me in detail and the price was in line with our budget. Their product had various certificates of international certification which was very in line with my purchasing requirements. She invited me to visit their factory and warmly received me. All their raw material of fan coil unit meet the international purchasing standard of ISO 9001 and the area of the factory and warehouse has reached more than 40,000 square meter. There are professional laboratories of product inspection and layout in the factory and there are strict procedure in the process of production, processing, assembly, inspection, packaging, storage and transportation. What impressed me most during the visit was the product inspection process, and the product quality has always been our most important place. Their product were inspected for low voltage operation and each fan speed was inspected at least 3 times repeatedly. In high voltage test, the test listed for 1 minute with 1800 volt AC and the water leakage were repeatedly tested, which fully ensured the quality of the fan. When the product is sampled and tested, the in-function pressure of the product is 1.6 MPa and the unit is qualified. It is observed for a last 10 minutes, which fully guaranteed the quality of the fan coil unit. After we placed the water, the product was quickly procedured and transported to the place where our flight forwarder was located. The product packaging was complete and frame. After arriving in our country, the product was complete and undamaged. It's a great purchasing experience in me, and thanks to Emily for delivered me that good kind of product. Thank you.